For this video, we're going to build an ID checker. So basically what we're going to do is we're just going to ask the user how old they are, or sorry, when they were born. Then we're going to check to see how old they are by just subtracting the year they were born from 2020. And then if they're 21 or older, we will tell them that they can drink. If they're not, then they can't drink. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a variable. We're going to declare a variable that's just going to store the year. And then we're going to ask them, what year were you born? And then put a semicolon. And because the user is going to type in a string, which is not a number, we're going to have to convert that string into a number. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put a parse int, and you can see it auto-completes, and you can just press the up-down arrows to get to the autocomplete. So we're going to autocomplete to parse int, in parentheses, and then close parentheses. So this is basically just going to ask the user what year they were born, and then convert the string into a number and store it in the variable year. So then we're going to go here, we're going to press shift plus return to get to the next line without actually running the code. And then we're going to create a new variable called age. And we're going to set age equal to 2020 minus year. And another semicolon, shift return. And then we're going to create our if-then statement. So if age is greater than or equal to 21, put that in parentheses, then open curly bracket, close curly bracket, and then shift plus return to get to the next line, and then tab over just to make it look pretty. We're going to say, so if age is over 21, then we're going to alert the user that you can drink. Parentheses, semicolon. Then we're going to come down here and we're putting an else statement. So else, open and close curly brackets, shift plus return, and then tab over just to make it look pretty. Alert, you can not drink. And parentheses and semicolon. And that should be it. So we're basically just asking the user what year they were born, converting their response to an integer, storing it in the variable year, and then creating a new variable called age, and making that equal to 2020 minus the year. And then if the age is greater than or equal to 21, tell the user that they can drink, else tell the user that they can't drink. So we're going to press return now and see if our code actually works. So what year were you born? Let's say 1990. You can drink. That makes sense. Now let's try it again and see if we can do it if the user is less than 21. So to rerun the code, we just have to retype it in. An easy way to do that is just to press the up arrow. So up gets you all the code that you just typed in, and then press return. And same thing, what year were you born? This time it's been year 2000. Press OK. And a 20-year-old is not older than 21, so you cannot drink. So it looks like our program works. And we are all done for this video.